Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows security not opening. So first you need to go to search bar, search for PowerShell, right click on it, tap on Run as Administrator. So you need to type this command to reset Windows security app. get-appx package microsoft.sec health UI-all users and reset-appx package. Hit enter once you type like this. Once it is completed, you can restart your computer and try to open Windows security again. Then after, if it is not fixed, go to start menu, go to setting. In the left side menu, go to apps, tap on apps and features, scroll down and find Windows security. Okay, just tap on these three dots, tap on advanced options, scroll down, and first you need to repair that, then after tap on reset. This will reset and repair your Windows security app. Once it is completed, you can close this one. Again you need to go to search bar, search for run, tap on it. This time you need to type services.msc like this. Tap on OK. Scroll down and find security center. Double tap on it. You can see it is already running. Make sure to set the startup type as automatic, and then after tap on OK. Right click on it again. If you able to tap on restart, just tap on it, it will restart the security center. Otherwise you can refresh it to again open that one. Then after close this one. Again go to search bar, search for control panel, tap on it. Make sure to view by set as large icons. Then after scroll down and go to programs and features. These are the applications you are installed on your computer. If you are installing any third-party antivirus software in here, just select that one, tap on uninstall, because it will block the opening from Windows security app. Once it is done, you can close this one. Again go to search bar, search for CMD like this, right click on it, tap on Run as Administrator.